Welcome back to another episode of Try DIY with Ebony. Come along as I turn some scrap wood into a glam side table. For this project, I'm using 3/4 inch thick scrap wood. It's the perfect thickness for this simple side table. I built this table about 4 years ago, and unfortunately I don't have much video footage to show you because I had no idea that I would one day have a YouTube channel designed to teach others how to build these things. So I have lots of pictures, so I'll walk you through those pictures and just show you how easy it was to build this table. So I just drew out the different parts that I would need using this large board. I don't remember what size it was, but I used this large board to draw out the two leg sides of the table in addition to the braces or the sides that would hold the table together, that would create a square. So I used my jigsaw to cut along the lines for the pattern that I created. And as you can see, I had originally decided to do a rectangular shape at the top of the table, but I changed my mind and decided to add those circular keyholes into the side instead. I used a 2-inch carbon hole saw that goes directly into your drill, just like a regular drill bit. It was part of this 4-piece set, and I figured I could use the other sizes at some other point, but for this project, I used the 2-inch hole saw. Once I got all those pieces cut out, I started to assemble the table using my nail gun and wood glue. Once all the pieces were all together, I used my orbital sander to make everything smooth. I really wasn't concerned about the top part because I knew that the mirror was going to go on top. The 12 by 12 mirror fit perfectly on top of that square. Here is some video footage of it all assembled and ready to be painted. I added wood putty along all of the seams so that it could look more uniform. I'm pretty sure I primed the piece next, but I have no photographic evidence to support this. But if I didn't, you should. If you decide to try this, you should prime it first with some Kills or some Zinsser white primer. Next, I used some Rust-Oleum Mirror Effect spray paint and spray paint it over that white primer. I can see white primer on the sheet, so I'm pretty sure I used it. After I let the spray paint dry, I used E6000 to adhere the 12 by 12 mirror tile to the top. I used a few heavy books on top of the table to press down the E6000. You can use whatever you find that's heavy, shoes, actual dumbbells. Just be careful since there is mirror on top. She's done. I love it. I used the mirrored spray paint, a mirror, 12 by 12 mirror on top, and she's finished. I built this table to go into my newly decorated office. The color scheme there was silver, gray, red, and black. So I thought having a silver mirrored table would just kick it up a notch, but I did need accessories. I'm pretty sure this is Home Goods, but I don't remember for sure, but as soon as I saw it, I knew that it was the right fit. So here it is in its final glory. The lamp gives off just the right amount of light. It was the perfect touch. I love how the crystals reflect off of the mirror and the mirror just reflects with the light. I was so happy with this project, but the funny thing is it doesn't even look like that anymore. The table and the lamp and the mural are still there, but I replaced that chase with a super bean bag. And since I don't have any clear beanbag pictures, here's a glimpse of the other side of the room. Thanks for watching.